Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? It's your boy Who Is Hendo, and we back talking sports. Um, I want to talk about two things. First, we gonna talk about what Shaq said about LeBron, and we gonna address this Isiah Thomas stuff. By his standard, maybe Steph is not a point guard, right? I didn't have a problem with him saying that Steph is not a true point guard to him because Steph plays mostly off of the ball now. What I had a problem with is him saying I led my team in points and assists. Draymond is the true point guard. When where was Draymond in 2022? He was the point guard then, right? Even though Steph averaged the same amount of assists and way more points. Those five times that Steph led them in points and assists. Where was Draymond then? For a career, Draymond averages 5.2 assists. Steph Curry 6.5. I'm not saying that Steph Curry should be looked at as a true point guard. But what I'm saying is, bro, stop acting like Steph Curry can't do that. That is my issue. Stop acting like Curry can't be a true point guard. Steph Curry could take over with his... Have you seen the pass he did to Gary Payton? Did you see the pass he did to the swing around pass he did a couple weeks ago? Steph Curry can take over the game with his passing. He brings so much fear with his shooting that when they think he's going to shoot and he passes it, if you ever notice when Curry is dribbling and let's say they think he about to pass it and he does not shoot it and he passes it, he gets some of the most open pockets ever, bro. That was my issue with Isiah Thomas, is him acting like Steph Curry can't be a true point guard. They just use him where he's more lethal at, which is his shooting. His passing never gonna be able to touch his shooting because he's an otherworldly shooter. You didn't have that. That's the only thing. Did you watch the series last year with the Lakers when he played pick and roll and averaged damn near 28, 8 and 7 or some shit like that in that series? He was really the point guard the whole series. Steph Curry can't do that, bro. My thing with Isiah Thomas is dog act like he on Bird or Jordan level. Don't get me wrong, Isiah Thomas is a phenomenal player. You know what I'm saying? But his self-beef with Jordan has been ridiculous. I beat him when blah, blah, blah this. Living in the past, talking about when he beat him, talking about they had to wait when they got old. Man, get out of here, bro. Y'all was not that old, bro. Now you making excuses. Did you have to wait till Jordan developed to beat him? Did you have to beat him before Scottie Pippen developed? We could say that. Zeke, he's just funny, bro. One minute you got Kareem to go, next minute you got MJ, next minute you got LeBron, then you go back to Kareem, bro. Now Steph Curry can't be a point guard. You could say he's not a true point guard, but the iteration of point guard has changed. But Steph can do both. That's why I don't really put him in the point guard thing, because he's a special type of player. He can be a two guard, but he also can play the point. And his gravity is so strong, he can open the floor up for everybody. Now, with that being said, bro, Zeke, let it go. Let the Jordan shit go. You know what I'm saying? That's your opinion on Curry or whatever, but let the Jordan shit go. You wasn't as good as you think you were, bro. I'm out. Part 2 coming. Hey, guess what? That new Balco, that new juice.